If West Bengal wasn't already a battlefield 6 months before state elections next year, Prime Minister Modi officially blew the poll bugle today. A fresh BJP versus Trinamool Pujo turf war has blown up in Bengal on expected lines. This after Prime Minister Modi reached out to West Bengal on Durga Puja. The Prime Minister virtually joined the Durga Puja celebrations through a video link. In a 30-minute speech, Modi spoke on his government's development push in Bengal, women's empowerment, self-reliance and adhering to COVID norms during the Puja celebrations. Prime Minister Modi used several Bengali phrases to express his vision to the state, which goes to polls next year. He invoked Bengal icons like Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Ray and others to reach out to the people of Bengal. Remember, the BJP did far better than expected in the Lok Sabha elections, and it is said to be a state which the BJP perhaps wants to win more than any other, and will be committing resources and political energies in fighting the fight against Mamata Banerjee.
साथियों, इस बार हम सभी कोरोना के संकट के बीच दुर्गा पूजा मना रहे हैं। मां दुर्गा के भक्त, पंडालों के आयोजकों, सबने इस बार अद्भुत संयम दिखाया है। संख्या पर भले असर पड़ा हो, लेकिन भव्यता वही है, दिव्यता वही है। आयोजन भले ही सीमित है, लेकिन उत्सव का रंग, उल्लास, आनंद असीमित है। यही तो बंगाल की पहचान है, यही तो बंगाल की चेतना है, यही तो असली बंगाल है। हाँ, मेरा आपसे ये आग्रह जरूर है कि मां दुर्गा के पूजा के साथ ही आप 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क पहनने और अन्य नियमों का पालन भी पूरी निष्ठा से करें। हमें सभी बेटियों को दुर्गा की तरह सम्मान करने की सीख दी जाती है। नवरात्र में उनकी पूजा की जाती है, और मां दुर्गा की पूजा तो साक्षात शक्ति की साधना है। हमारी मां दुर्गा दारिद्र्य, दुख, भय हारिणी कही जाती है, दुर्गति नाशिनी कही जाती है। अर्थात वो दुखों को, दरिद्रता को, दुर्गति को दूर करती है। इसलिए दुर्गा पूजा तभी पूरी होती है जब हम किसी के दुख को दूर करते हैं। भारत के विकास के लिए निरंतर फैसले लिए हैं। पूर्वोदय के इस मिशन में पश्चिम बंगाल को महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभानी है। मुझे भरोसा है कि पूर्वोदय का केंद्र बनकर पश्चिम बंगाल जल्द ही एक नई दिशा की तरफ बढ़ेगा।
Political atmosphere, emotive time, Pujo, and what followed after the Prime Minister's speech was, of course, this furious war of words that you've come to expect from the politics of Bengal between the BJP and the ruling Trinamool.
Politicizing Durga Puja is one thing, and getting the political leaders of the political parties to organize a festival is another thing. So it is petty-mindedness, narrow-mindedness. If Trinamool Congress, they are staying in the glass house themselves if they try to throw stones on others.
कोई करेगा तो करेगा, ये क्या होगा? करेगा तो करेगा, पूजा के लिए कोई करेगा तो। किंतु मेरा चीफ मिनिस्टर हर साल भी पूजा इनॉग्रेशन करता है, जाते हैं और मुंह से देखता है। और कोई इस साल भी 6 महीने बाद इलेक्शन है, कोई इलेक्शन का टाइम में कुछ व्यापार होता है, जो होता है तो मुंह से ही होता है। और हम लोग ये देखता है, कोई इलेक्शन टाइम में ज़्यादा करता है।
आज का भाषण उनका जो भी जहां सत्ता में वह प्रेरणा ले सकता है कि वास्तव में सत्ता किस लिए मिलती है? गरीबों के कल्याण के मिलती है, शांति के लिए मिलती है, विकास के लिए मिलती है। दुर्भाग्य से बंगाल इससे वंचित।
You know, for politics, for publicity of BJP, they utilize expenses incurred no less than 1 lakh crore of rupees. And for Durga Puja, the people of Bengal, not only in Bengal, throughout the country, throughout the world, only lecture, only microphone, only politics. Why don't you do something for Bengal during Puja days? Say, yes, I am giving 5,000 crores just to enjoy the festival.
Okay, joining me on 5 Live this evening, Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP in Kolkata. We also have Monojit Mandal, who's a political analyst, and he speaks against the BJP on this particular issue. But first, coming to Indrajit, looking fabulous as always, Indro, festival fervor, but it's hard to ignore the harsh politics that is, you know, all around you. Everything looks lovely, everything has a festive cheer, but the politics is everywhere.
Well, absolutely, Shiv, Shubho Shoshti to all of you. Yes, indeed, you know, this is Bengal's biggest cultural, social and religious festival. It's the best that Bengal has to offer. But unfortunately, it has also become the biggest platform for politics here in the state. Durga Puja completely embroiled in this year's politics right ahead of next year's state assembly elections. Barely 6 months to go. So this was indeed something that was on expected lines. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking this, taking the proper cue actually, and taking this platform to launch the BJP's campaign in a sense. He spoke about so many things. He spoke about the central schemes that have benefited Bengal. He said that Bengal would be on the path to development. So the message was subtle but clear. And when I spoke to BJP leaders like Swapan Dasgupta, they were categorical and explicit in saying that yes, this is a political message that the Prime Minister wants to send. So the BJP has been trying to make a dent into the Durga Puja politics of West Bengal, which so far has been the complete stronghold of the Trinamool Congress, and therefore, since they could not, manage to enter into some of these Durga Puja committees, they decided to hold a Durga Puja themselves.
Okay, thanks very much, Indro. I hope you enjoy the festivities away from the politics. I'm going to take this discussion now to the politicians. Priyanka, like Indrajit said, this has become an unignorable turf war over Pujo politics. The pandals have become the battlefield now, and the ruling Trinamool is not very happy with the manner in which the Prime Minister and the BJP have sort of taken ownership in some way of the Pujo landscape in Bengal.
Well, first of all, let me start by wishing you a Shubho Shoshti and to Mr. Monojit Mandal as well.
Thank you.
See, I completely believe that there is nothing called politics when it is a matter of your belief, your faith, your religion. Okay. And so let me also tell you this, that Durga, I mean, you want to keep Durga under your control. What could be more smaller a thought than this? That you want to limit Durga Puja just for your political benefits, that no, it is only for us. We've been doing it, we'll be doing it. I mean, there cannot be a thought more smaller than this. And coming to the second part of playing politics over a religion or playing politics over a particular Pujo. See, who was it who stated that we will be giving 50,000 rupees to all the committees, Durga Puja committees, to do Durga Puja, and then later on they said that no, this money has been given for, you know, better COVID precautions and norms to be followed. When questioned by the High Court, when they were pulled by the High Court, that is what they mentioned. But now, since that has become a no-entry zone, so I put up a question here: will that money come back to the government?
Let's ask Monojit. We'll take these one issue at a time, Priyanka. Monojit, the larger question, you know, you can answer the specifics of what Priyanka has put up as far as those allowances is concerned also. Will that money come back? But the question I want to ask is, the Trinamool, you know, why is the Trinamool, sounding so defensive after the Prime Minister's speech? You know, it seems like the Pujos and the Pandals are the turf of the Trinamool, and they're feeling sort of threatened by the BJP, you know, sort of taking some kind of ownership.
No, Shib, let me, wish you Shubho Shushti as well as
And
to
to
my
you.
good friend Priyanka. But I don't think two ministers, one former and the current minister, speaking about their views. I think Trinamool is feeling defensive. I think, as far as my understanding goes, we really welcome the Prime Minister's speech, except the parts where he was basically talking about the central schemes, as also pointed out by my good friend Indrajit. I mean, he didn't need to do that. Otherwise, I think we have no issue with the Prime Minister's inaugurating the Durga Pujas virtually. It would have been nicer if you were here, and we would have definitely welcomed him with a bucket of real rasgullas, not the Miktika rasgullas, Sheep. Let me tell you.
But Monojit,
we
you're
would
sounding
have
much more
ideally-
friendly than the leaders of the Trinamool.
Yeah,
You are a very
I mean,
decent guy.
That's why. Yeah, Sheep. That's why they are ministers and I'm not. Yeah, I'm simply a professor. You see.
I
So,
know,
you
I respect that, but I'm saying that
yeah.
they are much more angry than you are. They have taken
Yeah,
exception with the Prime Minister's speech.
They have got the reasons to be angry. Maybe I mean they are fighting on the ground. They have other issues to grinding. But we as far as Bengalis are concerned, I mean we have no issue with the Prime Minister's inaugurating certain pujas from Delhi. I'm saying that it would have been nicer if we were here. We would have definitely welcomed with real rasgullas. But what we did not like certainly that he might not have said about all the central scheme that we have done so much for this Bengal
So-
and this and that.
Okay,
I mean,
so
these are
I understand what you're
this
saying.
could have been
Priyanka,
avoided.
Priyanka,
This could have been
basically,
certainly avoided.
this is something that both
And
Monojit is saying
I
as well
want
as
to
the
answer
Trinamool.
Priyanka's question
Yeah.
also
Yeah,
regarding
yeah.
50,000 rupees, if you allow me to.
Yes, please answer that question quickly.
Priyanka, let us make it quite clear. In the issue is settled by the High Court that if you use this money for the holding appropriate pujas during this pandemic, there are no issues. Does it mean that you don't want the pandals or the pujas to be financially assisted by the state government? It's a very meager kind of assistance nonetheless.
I don't
Do you
want them to be
the
financed.
to be do you want them to be taken away? These meager assistance to be taken away?
Priyanka, you have an answer to that?
That is the question which the High Court had explicitly asked them, and they had stated that this money was given to follow the COVID norms. But on the next day, when the order of the court came and then all these zones were made a no-entry zone, then you don't need to follow the norms. Because when people are not allowed
you
to
need
go
to
inside the pandal, how will you spend that money? Again, the question comes, then why this money was given to them?
Okay.
That is the second question, which they should answer, and they don't have an answer. Well, apart from that, when he was saying that the Prime Minister shouldn't have spoken about the central schemes, so let me tell you, whoever does something for development and has something to speak about it will speak. See, the state government has eroded and trampled the ruling government, has eroded the state completely. They have nothing to speak about development because they have done nothing. So people who are doing it, they will speak about development, and also that these schemes are being stopped by the state government to reach to the people.
Priyanka, the
Just
Trinamool
because of
ministers,
their ego.
the Trinamool ministers are basically saying that this is drama during an emotive time, and the Prime Minister wants to talk about all these central schemes because his view is on the elections and nothing else. It has nothing to do with Durga Puja. Monojit is being
Whose
very
view
decent,
is-
but the ministers have said that.
Whose view is on elections, we can very well understand. The same Mamata Banerjee did not make the people avail the Ayushman Yojana, the medical benefits, and now just 6 months before the election, she's saying, I am ready. I am ready to do that in my state, provided you give all the money to me, and I will do it through me. Why?
No, so Monojit,
5 years, you never
Monojit,
opened your mouth regarding the same.
the larger question here is, what is the big deal if a politician talks about politics and makes promises? Ultimately, elections are something that have to be fought. So why this sort of indignant outrage over the Prime Minister talking about central schemes at this time? Obviously, he's going to have his eye on the elections as well.
We are really not happy with the context in which you are saying all these things. The occasion was not right, perhaps, for him to talk about all the schemes. I mean, people in this country know that how much the central government has done for the poor people, especially during the pandemic. I don't want to go into this kind of quarreling mood as my friend from the other side, Priyanka. I have promised myself, in fact, the party that I support, I mean, I've spoken to some of the big leaders. They are in no mood to quarrel at this point in time, at least for the next 4 or 5 days. Let us enjoy the puja. We are definitely enjoying the puja with caution and concerns also. I mean, caution because that the COVID should not spread, and
Yes.
concerns because for the people who are suffering from the disease, or the COVID warriors and all those. I mean, by prayers on this should be the fittest occasion to pray for them. the Prime Minister, what Prime Minister, I mean, if you look at his speech carefully, Shiv, you'll understand that he was invoking Bengal's past, the glorious past.
He did,
I mean,
yes.
He can always do. I mean, but the glorious past, it will come back again. That does it mean that it is not there at
So
this
you're
point
saying
in
that
time?
has stung.
He was trying to.
I was going to ask that question, Monojit. You're saying that part has stung. You're saying that part has stung,
Absolutely.
Monojit,
That's what also has
by
stung
invoking
us.
people like Satyajit Ray and Rabindranath Tagore. You're saying that
No. What I'm saying
He
that
is-
he was trying.
he's basically saying the glorious past will come back.
Yeah.
Priyanka,
Does it
that
mean
appears to have
we are-
hurt the Trinamool
does
a
it
little
mean
bit.
that we
You've got
are-
under their
we
skin
are-
with that comment.
No, see,
We are-
they accuse us the either way. They say that we do not know anything about the culture of West Bengal. We are less Bengali than they are. Then they question us of being Hindi Bhashis and supporting the Hindi people more than the Bangla people. So all these are acquisitions. Now we are okay with that. Whatever they need to say or do, they will. You can't stop or shut anybody's mouth for that matter. But here, on the occasion, we are with the people of Bengal, celebrating, rejoicing with the people of Bengal. And I would also like to remind him that, there was a saying by Gopal Krishna Gokhale ji that what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. But today's Bengal, which we see and we are observing, is nowhere like the Bengal which was 100 years ago. Otherwise, today, these people wouldn't have questioned being and knowing the culture that no, BJP is trying to copy the culture. When
Okay.
BJP doesn't,
So-
then you say that no, they do not know the culture.
Yes,
What is the problem?
yes, Monojit, you can answer that, and also you can answer that what Priyanka has said, and also my final word is, these few days of the Pujo will be celebrated in relative peace, but given that the BJP has already signaled that this is a state that it wants more than any other, my prediction is that once the Pujo festivities are over, it's going to be back to street politics, and it's going to only escalate for the next 6 months.
Yeah, we don't even want to think about what might happen after the puja right now, at least. I mean, but yeah, my friend is quite right. What Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. Look at what Kanyasri project and how it was, imitated by Prime Minister, who was, in fact, he referred to this, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, which was actually originally flaunted by our own Chief Minister in 2014. So yeah, what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. So same is true about Ayushman Bharat. We had this health scheme since 2015, and the India central government had it since 2018. So
Okay.
You're right, absolutely. What Bengal thinks today, central government thinks tomorrow, India thinks tomorrow.
That is the reason they don't want
that
that the
is-
people should avail Ayushman Bharat.
We saw this being said even during the 2019 the Lok Sabha elections as well.
Yes.
Many of
But
the same
that's the
threads
fact
are
of the matter,
coming
Shiv.
back. It's a deja vu in many ways. The Trinamool did not like the performance of the BJP in the 2019 elections and is going to fight very hard to make sure it can contain the BJP in next year's elections as well. Wishing the both of you the best of the festive season. Peace,
Same to you,
prosperity
Shiv.
to
Same
you
to
and your
you.
loved ones and your families in Bengal. Our love to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us, Priyanka and Monojit here on 5 Live.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.